welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a baking video because I have to bake anyway for something. So I just show you my like not so secret brownie recipe. So what you'll need, I'm going to go over what y'all need first. Let's do it. And I'm not professional, so I'm not going to have like all matching bowls with like certain, you know. So you're going to need, this is a little bit, some of this is already used, so it's a little bit bigger than a regular one. So you're going to need a regular size bag of whatever kind of chocolate chips you want. Like you can have Reese's chocolate chips, you can have whatever. So whatever regular size bag of chocolate chips you want, okay? I think it's an 8x12 or something like that, Pyrex, or you can use a metal pan, it doesn't matter, but that size. A bowl, a mixing bowl, whichever cake mix you want. Honestly, I've used this recipe with gluten-free cake mix too, so you can do that. So right now we're gonna make, I guess we'll make some blondies. So we'll put this one away in just a minute. We'll make blondies, and then you're gonna need a microwavable cup, and so this is a mug, and 5 tablespoons of butter. And you're gonna need to melt that butter up, all right? And then you're gonna need 2 to 3 eggs, just like regular eggs. Yeah, and then you're gonna need a cup to like kind of mix them in. So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna preheat the oven and put the butter in the microwave. And I forgot a couple things you're gonna need. So you're also gonna, if you wanna use the rest of the butter stick, you're gonna need Pam or some sort of oil to put on the pan so it doesn't stick. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the butter and we're gonna melt it. So you only need 5 tablespoons. So let me go ahead. Oop. And one thing I forgot to tell you, you just need a regular spoon, spoon to mix, and then a knife to cut up the butter. So what I like to do with the butter, obviously it takes me forever to wrap it, is to cut it up into smaller pieces when I put it in whatever container to melt it down, so it melts a little bit easier. Alright, and we're going to put that in the microwave to let it melt. Alright, let's do it. As our butter is melting, we're going to go ahead and put the cake mix inside the bowl. Alright, this is just any cake mix. You can use generic brand, you can use actual brand, it doesn't matter. It all turns out to taste so good. Alright, just kidding. So the butter isn't quite melted yet. So what we're going to do is go ahead and crack these eggs. And what I like to do with the eggs is kind of like put them in a cup just to mix them up first. You know? Alright. 1 egg. And also to make sure like there's no shell or anything on them. And we'll use the same knife we used for the butter to mix these eggs up. Of course I have an orange cup, so just quickly mix them up. Alright, so our butter is melted. Isn't that lovely? In our mug. So we're going to make sure it's all melted. Stir that up just a bit. Take that. Pour it in as well. There we go. All that butter. And you can use store-brand butter, whatever type of butter you want. It doesn't matter. Like I said, this is an almost foolproof recipe. So then once you have everything, all the ingredients except for the chocolate chips, you're going to go ahead and mix it. So you can use a mixer thing to make it better mixed, but I prefer not to, and I find it just so much easier not to. And so after you've done this, I know it doesn't look 100% perfect, but that's okay, because it all tastes good in the end. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is take the chocolate chips and pour them in. All right. Once those chocolate chips are in, you're gonna again just mix with the spoon. You can use whatever you want to mix it. This is a very like laid back recipe, so it all depends on what you use, and it's almost foolproof whatever you use. All right. Alright, so once you get to something like this, you're going to take your pan, or pyrex, whatever. Okay, once you get to a mixture similar to this, or something like this, depends on what batter you used, all that kind of good stuff, you're going to take your pyrex and give it a nice spray. Yeah, it's a lot of spray. But this is to ensure we don't have any sticking, etc. So now, we're gonna do the fun part, which is pouring it in here, and then putting it in the oven. Legit, this is a 10-minute prep time. It's a thick batter, too. It's a 10-minute prep, and about 20 minutes in the oven, so you have about like a 30-minute total baking recipe, which is amazing. Alright, so I got this just to help me with the smoothing process. Just because it's a really thick batter and a regular spoon won't quite do the job. But this recipe, honestly, I'm trying to do as minimal like utensils or tools as possible, just so it makes it so much easier to clean, the cleanup process, and now watch it speed up as I move this around. Alright, so once you have your almost, I guess, even thing right here. Oh, it's moving because of all the pan. Alright, so once you have this, you're going to pop it in the oven for about 20 minutes, but keep on checking on it after halfway through just to make sure you're all good. So right now, while it bakes, we're going to go ahead and clean up our mess. So I'm going to turn the camera off right now to clean up the mess, and then I'll see y'all when we're all done with the cleaning process and it's ready. All right, everyone, I smell the brownie, so let me go get them from the oven. Oh my gosh, they look so yummy. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. They look so good. So this was about 18 minutes in the oven, so I'd say after about 12 minutes in the oven, go check on it every couple of minutes to make sure it's good and they're golden brown, and they look so good. But I can't eat them because I'm gluten-free, but these are done. So yeah, now I'm gonna let them cool off and then wrap them up because I'm gonna need them like next week and then freeze them. So you can always do that too. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was lots of fun, and I killed 2 birds with 1 stone. I did the baking I needed to do, and I filmed a video, which is so exciting and so fun because I need to make extra videos because I'm gonna be busy the next couple weeks. So yeah, if you would like to see more from me, please hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, click the like button. And to follow me on social media, it's at LovePug19. It should be somewhere around the screen. Edit it maybe later. And I hope you guys enjoyed. So yeah, have a great rest of your day. Bye.